Okay, I'm super excited because we've got the G-Shock 40-year anniversary edition of a Casioak. Basically, this one here. I've got another one here. I'm a great fan. This is the carbon one. A great fan of the old Casioak. I think they're great looking watches, really nicely designed, really stylish. As I say, I've got two already. But this one, ladies and gentlemen, in this box is the 40th anniversary one, and it's transparent. So let's check it out and unbox it. Normal paraphernalia. Oh, different color box here. Wow, look at this nice G, ladies and gentlemen, a nice G box. I like that, very stylish. Push to open. It's only cardboard though. Like if this was a tin, I think that'd be super cool. It's just a like kind of cardboard sort of paper surround and stuff. So, gee. And then in here, so not the tin. Normally there's a tin with it, so that's interesting. In here, maybe they're just being a bit environmentally conscious. And in here, for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We shove the reveal. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There we go. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm loving the design of it. This whole kind of transparency here since 1983. It says there, since 1983. If you can just see, 4 stars. The carbon core guard, shock resistant, 20 bar water resistance, double LED light, 1,000th of a second stopwatch, world time, daily timer, daily alarm timer, the works. This is the GA 2140 RX 7AER. As you can see, very similar to the other ones that I've already got, but really stylish. I'm really loving this sort of, it's metal inside. It's definitely metal inside. I'm going to just show it up there. Look at that. If you can see that, really, really stylish. Get a bit closer look there. Nice sort of white interior. Again, even the face of the watch is transparent, which is really cool, really nice. I'm liking that. And then it's sort of a white base, but that's the actual kind of face board underneath the transparency there. And then the hour hands there, the 5-minute hour hands, also sort of transparent. They should glow, actually. I wonder if they do glow. That'll be interesting to see. But overall, really, really nice looking watch. Let's see what it looks like on. I mean, it's so transparent, it's almost invisible. I mean, obviously it's not quite invisible, but you know what I mean. There's the watch strap, look. It's really transparent. Absolutely loving the look of that. And the kind of steel bezel underneath the plastic transparent bit really works well. That kind of steel, sort of white, transparent and steel look, I think works really, really well. And as you see, a totally transparent watch. There we go. Very happy with that. So there you go. That's a quick unboxing of my G-Shock GA 2140 RX 40th year anniversary, the 40th year anniversary. Really, really cool. Really loving the look of this watch. Very happy with that purchase. It looks super, super slick. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. Just a quick unboxing. I'm a big fan of the G-Shock watches. If you enjoyed the content, then please hit the likes, because I like it. YouTube likes it. And it helps people like you find content like this. And if you're new to my channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button, because I do all sorts of things that might be of interest to you if you like this. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more content from me, why don't you check out the videos right here, these ones here. Might be something of interest for you. Cheers. Oh, is that the time?